Welcome, guys. This is Kaushal Kumar. I'm the number one best-selling author, trainer, and coach. And let me welcome you today with a special topic, which is autopilot. Now, people are in autopilot. What it means that autopilot means that you are doing something automatically and you are not aware of it. And mostly it is negative, particularly thinking. The way you think, the way you act, and the way your results will be. So people have around 60,000 thoughts on daily basis, and 90% of them are negative thoughts. And if you are thinking 60,000 times and 90% of them are negative, what it means that 90% of your results will be negative because you will act also negatively for the 90% of the time. Now, how you can change this habit, your autopilot habit? First of all, let us understand what is autopilot. Autopilot is something where you are thinking or you are acting, but you are not aware that you are doing it in a certain way. Okay, so that is called being in head also. So sometimes you are in your head, you are thinking and you are not aware that you are thinking so many negative things, and most of the people do this. So you can't say that you don't do this, you don't have any problem like this. Everyone is running in autopilot, and that is the reason of lot of stress and struggle in the life. So if you want to break this habit of autopilot, then there is one wonderful technique which is used widely for not only to become more present, more aware, but to gain many other things, many personal powers and spiritual powers as well, and that is mindfulness exercise. So what is mindfulness exercise then? Mindfulness exercise is simply you be aware of what you are doing consciously. You choose to be aware. So suppose you are going to work on your laptop, then consciously you think that you are working on your laptop, and also you are aware of it. So it is not that you are working and your mind is thinking something else. That is how you break this habit of autopilot. Doing this is not easy unless and until you practice mindfulness meditation. So apart from regular practice on day-to-day life, also you should go into deep meditation sometimes in the morning and evening. Even if you can do it for 15 minutes, that is good. You can do it for 30 minutes, that is very good. And if you can do it for 1 hour, that is wonderful. So give time to meditation and do mindfulness meditation. And when you sit for mindfulness meditation, remember one thing, that you don't have to move your body at all, no matter what happens. So you are feeling pain, then you start watching your pain. If have a thought, then just start seeing the thought and let it go. It will go automatically unless it passes. Just start watching. You can watch your breathe. You can watch your sensations, emotions in your body, how it is changing and how it is affecting. So this is the way you can practice mindfulness, and mindfulness will break the habit of your mind, which is in autopilot. And once you break this habit of autopilot, many things will change. You will be more successful. You will be more happy. You will be more at peace. You will not be stressed that much. You will be happy. So everyone should practice mindfulness. It's wonderful and gives results immediately. So if you do it right now you can start feeling peace and happiness within yourself. So start practicing mindfulness, and you will see the magic happening in your life. Your life will change for sure, and you will definitely live a better life than what you are living right now. Okay, all the best and thanks for watching. Let's meet in some other wonderful videos where I will talk about some other techniques and tools to grow and become successful and at peace in your